Hello everyone, my name is S Comic Maker and welcome back to my channel. You might be asking yourself, what the heck is going on and where have I been? As you may have noticed, I didn't post a video last Saturday, although we did stream, and then I mentioned that I might post a video on Wednesday, and let me kind of explain what the heck's going on. So, Wednesday the 10th was my husband's birthday, and while lots of birthdays are special, this one felt very special because it was his 30th birthday. While a lot of people celebrate a lot of like the tens of birthdays, so like your 20th birthday, 30th, 40th, 50th, and all that stuff, this one felt really special because now that both Tony and I will be 30 this year, it means that we have been together for literally half our lives. If you don't know, Tony and I have been together since high school, so since we were 15, and I felt like I really wanted to do something special for him. So I tried so hard last week to make a video for him where I draw, this is gonna sound so bad now that I look back, I wanted to draw 30 of his characters. If you don't know, my husband has a lot of characters, and I'm just, this book that you're seeing right here, this folder, is not even like the most of it. There's tons of them on his computer, and just, he loves making characters. So I wanted to pick 30 of them and draw 30, and that was crazy. So then I was like, I'll draw 15 of them then for every year that we have been together. I tried to do that too, and it was too much. I'm a silly, crazy person. So the sketches that you've been seeing going on here are his characters, or at least some of them. And I tried to do, like I said, 15 of them, and I just ran out of time. 15 characters is a lot to draw in 1 week, because usually I make a video in a week. I probably should have been working on this way before then if I was going to do something crazy like that. And I actually ended up not finishing them, because on top of trying to be a dum-dum and draw all these characters, which I will finish, I'll finish them, just it won't be quite so complete for this video, I also made a dumb little animatic for him. So I was trying to do all of this at one time, and it was just a disaster. I finished the animation, but as you can tell now, I did not finish the 15 characters, which I will get to. I will finish them, just I couldn't finish it in enough time to make a video. So videos will go up as normal again starting this coming week, but I thought in the meantime I can show you the fruits of my labor. So the reason why I wasn't posting this past week and a half. So I'll kind of explain a little bit. So for Tony's birthday, I wanted to make sure that he didn't have to think about anything, because one of the worst things for your birthday is when everyone asks you, what do you want to do for your birthday? Or what are you doing for your birthday? Sometimes when you're a kid, you know, like you might want to have like a birthday party and have people over, or you might want to go somewhere or go to the movies or mini golf or bowling or whatever. But as you get older, your birthday kind of just becomes, I don't know, uneventful, and it's kind of pressuring, because sure, you might want, like, I don't know, want to do something, but you never know what, you know? You never know what you want to do, or if you want to, you know, not be lazy and actually go bowling, or it's a fun time. So for his 30th birthday, I thought that it would be really nice to plan him something all day long so that he didn't have to like try to think about what to do for his birthday, because he never can, I never can. And originally we were gonna do like a party with everybody, but because of what's going on, we can't do that. So what I did do was I had people come throughout the day to bring him food to our house. So like in the morning, my mother brought him breakfast. My brother-in-law, my sister's husband, brought lunch over, and then they played video games, and he didn't know all this stuff was going on. And so then for dinner, I wanted to surprise him, because Tony has always wanted to make pizza, like at home together.
Pizza time.
And we always talk about how we're gonna do it, but we've never done it. So I went out and I bought a bunch of ingredients to make different kinds of pizzas, and I put all of that stuff together. While I'm talking, here's a little clip of all that stuff that I got and put together for him. And then I made a dumb animation so that when my brother-in-law left the house, I played the video that's about to play to surprise him that we were going to make pizza for dinner. So here's the clip of that. Oh, hey there, birthday boy. You, might be asking yourself, what's happening today? Oh, you're not asking that? You're asking what's going on with my robe? It's none of your business. You don't need to know that. It's just a robe. So what if it's all lumpy? Oh, you think I got secrets? Huh. Okay. It's your birthday. I think you can know now. You want to see what I'm hiding under all this? It's pepperonis. We're making a pizza. Now get in the kitchen! My pepperonis! And let me tell you guys, I was so stupid. I should have recorded his reaction because he was dying laughing at the my pepperonis part, so it was a success. Hooray! So then I led Tony to the kitchen and we spent some time making some horrible pizzas. Now, some of the pictures are gonna look okay, but for the most part, they didn't turn out the best. And I think it's also because I bought store-bought dough and I didn't make my own dough, so next time we'll do that. They tasted okay. The Supreme one that we made at the end that looks like an Illuminati pizza actually tasted the best, but we actually didn't eat that one that day because by the end of it we were so stuffed from pizza and we still had cake to eat, so I put the pizza away and we ate that one for lunch the next day. It was actually really good the second day, so sorry if I'm rambling so much. I'm doing all of this unscripted because I wanted to make sure I got a video out to you guys. Then I turned off the lights and while Tony was in the bathroom set up his cake and sang happy birthday to him. It was just the two of us. It was a really, really nice evening. We had a lot of fun, and from what Tony said, he had a really, really good day. And then we hung out and were showered with lots of super, super wonderful, beautiful pieces of art from you guys. A lot of you sent him happy birthday drawings, which he was just so touched by. So thank you guys so much. I'm gonna show some of them here and as the end credits roll out. Thank you all of you who reached out and said happy birthday to him, and like I said, and drew him pictures. You guys are all incredible, and I think it was a really good, special, perfect day. So that's where I've been, that's where I've gone, and next week we'll have a regular video and it should be smooth sailing as usual. I appreciate you all stopping by, and I hope that we can draw together next week because things will go back to normal. Bye guys.